Ever pondered on the challenges that dropshipping presents and how to overcome them? Welcome to the world of dropshipping, a business model that has taken the e-commerce industry by storm. It's a simple, cost-effective way to start an online business. You don't need to stock or handle the goods yourself. You simply sell the product online and your supplier takes care of the rest. But it's not all smooth sailing. There are challenges along the way. From finding a reliable supplier to dealing with customer service issues to navigating the competitive landscape, dropshipping is not without its hurdles. That's where this video comes in. We're here to guide you through the process, providing a step-by-step tutorial on setting up a successful dropshipping business. We'll share insights, case studies, and expert advice to help you navigate the world of dropshipping. Stay tuned if you're interested in overcoming these challenges and setting up a successful dropshipping business. To start, it's essential to grasp the basics of dropshipping. So, what is dropshipping? In essence, it's a retail method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. Now you might be thinking, isn't that just like any other retail business? Well, not quite. The biggest difference is that the seller doesn't stock or own inventory. They purchase inventory as needed from a third party, usually a wholesaler or a manufacturer, to fulfill orders. This brings us to the question, why is dropshipping a viable business model? The answer lies in its numerous benefits. One of the biggest advantages is the low startup cost. You don't need to invest heavily in inventory, which reduces the risk significantly. You only purchase a product when you've already made the sale and have been paid by the customer. Another benefit of dropshipping is its flexibility. You can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. This means you can choose a location that suits your lifestyle and work habits. The ability to offer a wide range of products is another advantage of dropshipping. Since you don't need to pre-purchase the items you sell, you can offer a variety of products to your customers. If suppliers stock an item, you can list it for sale on your online store at no additional cost. Dropshipping also enables you to scale your business with ease. Unlike traditional retail businesses, where you need to double your inventory to double your sales, in dropshipping, you can increase your sales without a proportional increase in work. The suppliers handle all the work related to inventory and order fulfillment. It's clear to see that dropshipping has its perks. But like any business model, it's not without its challenges. However, with careful planning and strategy, these challenges can be managed effectively. Now that you've got the basics, it's time to delve into the nitty-gritty of setting up a dropshipping business. Ready to set up your dropshipping business? Here's how. The first step is choosing a niche. This is all about identifying a specific market segment that you're passionate about and has a promising demand. For example, you might choose eco-friendly beauty products or tech gadgets for travelers. The key is to find a niche where you can offer unique value and stand out from competitors. Next, you're going to need a supplier. This will be your business partner, providing the products that you'll sell. You can find suppliers on platforms like Alibaba or through industry trade shows and directories. Remember, it's crucial to vet your suppliers carefully. Look for reliable partners who offer quality products, timely shipping, and excellent customer service. Once you have your niche and supplier, it's time to build your e-commerce website. This is your online storefront where customers will browse and buy your products. You can use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce to create a professional and user-friendly website. Make sure your site is easy to navigate, has clear product descriptions, and attractive visuals. Now let's talk about payment gateways. These are the systems that process payments on your site. You'll want to set up multiple gateways to give customers a variety of payment options. PayPal, Stripe, and Square are popular choices. Keep in mind, you'll need to comply with all necessary security measures to protect your customers' information. And there you have it. You've chosen your niche, found a supplier, built your e-commerce site, and set up your payment gateways. It might seem like a lot, but remember, every successful business starts with these foundational steps. With these steps, you're well on your way to launching your dropshipping business. As a dropshipper, pricing your products properly is a critical aspect of your business strategy. After all, the price you set will directly affect your profit margins, customer satisfaction, and competitiveness in the market. So, let's delve into how you can set the right pricing for your dropshipping business. First off, let's understand the cost-based pricing strategy. This is where you set a price by adding a markup percentage to your cost. For example, if a product costs you $10 and you want a 50% markup, you'll sell it for $15. This method is straightforward and ensures you make a profit on each sale. However, be careful with your markup. Setting it too high might deter potential customers. Next is the market-based pricing strategy. Here, you set your prices based on what your competitors are charging for similar products. This strategy requires diligent market research. You'll need to regularly monitor your competitors' prices and adjust yours accordingly to stay competitive. Remember, while it's essential to remain competitive, don't undersell your products. You still need to make a profit. Lastly, we have the value-based pricing strategy. With this approach, you set prices based on the perceived value of your product rather than its actual cost or the market rate. This strategy requires a deep understanding of your target audience and their willingness to pay for your products. The key here is to communicate the value of your products effectively through your marketing efforts. Each of these strategies has its pros and cons, and the best one for your business depends on your unique circumstances and goals. You might even find that a combination of these strategies works best for you. The key is to experiment, analyze, and adjust as needed. Now that you have a clear understanding of pricing strategies, you're one step closer to making your dropshipping business a success. And remember, if you're finding this content valuable, don't forget to click the thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. A successful dropshipping business is nothing without effective marketing. Let's dive right into it. Marketing is the heart of any business, and it's no different with dropshipping. It's all about getting your brand and products out there, making sure they catch the eye of potential customers. First off, we have social media marketing. In the digital age, platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are a goldmine for businesses. They offer a direct line of communication with your target audience. You can use these platforms to showcase your products, share customer testimonials, and even offer exclusive discounts. The key here is to create engaging content that resonates with your audience. Remember, social media is all about building relationships. Next up, email marketing. This is one of the most cost-effective marketing strategies out there. With an email list, you have a direct line to your customers' inboxes. You can send them personalized offers, updates about new products, or even a simple thank you note for their loyalty. The trick with email marketing is to keep it personal and relevant. Nobody likes spam, so make sure your emails add value to your customers' lives. Finally, we have search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is all about making your website more visible on search engines like Google. It involves optimizing your website's content and design to rank higher in search results. This can be a bit technical, but there are plenty of resources out there to help you get started. The payoff is worth it. A higher ranking means more visibility, which translates to more customers. Each of these strategies has its own strengths, and the best approach usually involves a mix of all three. The key is to know your audience and tailor your marketing efforts to their interests and needs. Remember, effective marketing is key to attracting and retaining customers. So, spend time crafting your marketing strategy. After all, your products won't sell themselves. It's up to you to get them in front of the right people. Dropshipping, like any other business, comes with its fair share of challenges. But don't let this deter you. Every challenge is an opportunity for growth and learning. Let's delve into some of the most common hurdles in dropshipping and discuss how to overcome them. Firstly, finding reliable suppliers can be quite a task. With the vast digital marketplace, it's like looking for a needle in a haystack. But don't fret. Start by doing thorough research. Look for suppliers with good reviews and a track record of fulfilling orders promptly. Reach out to them, build a relationship, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Remember, a solid supplier is a cornerstone of a successful dropshipping business. Next up, dealing with long shipping times. This issue can be a real deal breaker for customers. The solution? Transparency. Be upfront about the expected shipping times. This way, customers know what to expect and can make an informed decision. Moreover, consider offering expedited shipping options for those willing to pay a little extra for quicker delivery. Maintaining product quality is another significant challenge. When you're not directly handling the products, it's easy for quality to slip through the cracks. To combat this, order samples from your suppliers. This allows you to check the product quality firsthand and ensure it meets your standards. Furthermore, regular communication with your suppliers about quality expectations can go a long way. Lastly, dealing with customer complaints and returns can be daunting. However, a clear return and refund policy can save you a lot of headaches. Make sure your policy is easily accessible and understandable to your customers. And remember, excellent customer service can turn a negative situation into a positive one. In conclusion, challenges in dropshipping are inevitable, but they are not insurmountable. With the right approach and a problem-solving mindset, you can navigate these hurdles and build a thriving dropshipping business. After all, the path to success is never smooth, but it's the bumps along the way that make the journey worthwhile. Overcoming these challenges is crucial to the success of your dropshipping business. So keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep pushing forward. With the basics of dropshipping, the right pricing strategy, and marketing tactics under your belt, you're well on your way to establishing a successful dropshipping business. But how can you take it to the next level? The answer lies in leveraging technology. In this digital age, technology can be your best ally in running an efficient and profitable dropshipping business. Let's delve into some of the ways you can use technology to optimize your business. Firstly, consider using dropshipping software. These tools can automate various aspects of your business, from inventory management to order processing. By automating these tasks, you can save time and focus on more strategic aspects of your business, like marketing and customer service. Some popular dropshipping software includes Oberlo, Deezers, and Spocket. Each has its unique features, so take some time to explore and find the one that best suits your needs. Next, let's talk about analytics. Utilizing data can provide invaluable insights into your business. Tools like Google Analytics can help you track your website traffic, understand your customer behavior, and identify opportunities for improvement. By analyzing this data, you can make informed decisions to drive your business growth. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are not just for marketing. They can also be used for customer service, product discovery, and even sales. By integrating social media into your business strategy, you can reach a wider audience and boost your sales. In conclusion, technology can be a game changer for your dropshipping business. By automating tasks, utilizing data, and leveraging social media, you can optimize your operations and maximize your profits. Remember, in the world of dropshipping, staying ahead of the curve means staying ahead of the competition. So don't be afraid to embrace technology. After all, the future of business is digital. To recap, we've traveled through the realm of YouTube content creation and optimization with the assistance of our in-depth course. We've discussed in detail the essentials of running a successful YouTube channel, which is about creating engaging content, optimizing it for search, and effectively managing your community, freeing you to concentrate more on creativity and audience engagement. We've also guided you through the process of setting up a YouTube channel, from identifying a popular niche and creating quality content, to designing an audience-friendly channel layout. Furthermore, we've explored various marketing strategies such as search engine optimization for increased visibility, social media promotion for a broader audience, and collaborations with influencers for a credibility boost. All of these, coupled with our visual tutorials, real-time examples, and detailed guides, should help you overcome any hurdles you might encounter in your YouTube journey. We even have interviewed successful YouTubers for added insights and motivation. Remember, success doesn't occur instantly. It calls for patience, persistence, and effective strategies. With the knowledge and skills you've attained from our course, you're now ready to conquer the YouTube sphere. You're this journey. We'll guide you through every step. So enroll today. Let's thrive together in this exciting venture. The link to our YouTube course is right below this video in the description. Elevate your YouTube knowledge today. To recap, we've journeyed through the world of dropshipping. We've learned about the essentials of dropshipping, a business model where you sell products without having to manage inventory or delivery. We've delved into the process of setting up a dropshipping business, including choosing a niche, sourcing products, and establishing a compelling online store. We've also navigated the world of marketing your business, exploring strategies such as search engine optimization, social media advertising, and influencer partnerships. And let's not forget about overcoming challenges. We've addressed common hurdles like dealing with supplier issues, maintaining product quality, and managing customer service. We've shed light on the intricacies of this exciting e-commerce model and provided you with actionable insights to help you build a successful dropshipping business. With these insights, you're well equipped to navigate the exciting world of dropshipping. Remember, success doesn't come overnight, but with persistence and the right strategies, your dropshipping business can thrive.